Good morning, student. Today we are going to study about the long run. So yesterday we studied about the short run. So short run means it is a period or it is a time where there will be fixed factors and variable factors. Short run, in short run what happens, at least one factor will be fixed one, another factor will be variable, so there will be both fixed and variable factors. So fixed factor means we can take it example of building, land. These are the fixed factor. Variables means number of labor, then wages, then these and all the variable factor. So in the long run what happens, all the factors are variable factor. There are no such fixed factors are there in the long run. So keep it in a mind. In short run there will be both variable factors and fixed factor. When it come to the long run, there will be only one type of factor, that is variable factor. In long run, all factors of production can be varied. So there will be all the variable factors are there in the long run. A firm, in order to produce different level of output in the long run, may vary both the input simultaneously. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, so when it is going to produce any output in the long run, in production process the input are various. Example, if you are having building, so in short run it will be fixed, there will be no change in the building. But when it come to long run, either you have to change the structure of the building, you have to paint it, you have to renovate it, otherwise you have to increase the like floors, or you have to increase the rooms in the building in order to make convenient for the production process. Or else if you are having land, you have to purchase the land from others. If you are earning profit, you have to purchase the land from others and you have to do the production process. If labors are there, anyways labors are going to be changed, and their wages that also various. In the long run you have to change their wages, you have to increase their wages. That's why in the long run everything going to be variable one. So in the long run there are no fixed factor. So in long run there are no fixed factors are there, because all the things are going to be changed. So there will be no concept of fixed factors. For any particular production process, long run generally refers to the longer time period than short run. So, what is the difference between long run and short run other than the factors? The time period. Always what happens, the long run will be longer than the short run period, but it is not fixed. The time we are not going to be fixed, how much the long run is going to be. So short run we will tell, if it is more than 1 year we will tell it is a long run, but there is no particular month, dates such as for the determine whether it is a long run or whether it is a short run. By features we can determine the long run and the short run. For the different production process, the long run provides may be different. So if it is like factors are changing for some time period, the long run also changes. For some, like if you are taking agriculture crops, the long run will be very short period, it will come within 1 year. Example, if you are going to produce any agriculture product like rice, for it long run comes very soon. Within 3 months one crop will get over, so another crop will come, that will come under the long run. So the time period will changes for the various production process. If you are in the industry, the long run will come maybe after 1 year, because in 1 year it is the period of the startment of their production process. So that's why the product also depend. If you are producing any short run product, then the long run will come faster. If we are producing any long run items like goods, commodities, vehicles, electronic items, then the long run will be comes little later. So that is the difference. It is not advisable to define short run and the long run in terms of say days, months, years. It is not particularly we are not supposed to do that to determine the long run and short run in terms of days, months, or in terms of year. Just we can make a division by seeing the variables, whether there are fixed variable, whether there are all the variables are various, or whether there are fixed factors only are there, and both the fixed factors and variable factors are there. Like that we can define. If there is only variable factors, that means it is a long run. If there is both fixed factors and variable factors are available, then we will determine it as a short run. We define a period as long run or short run simply by looking at the whether all the input can be various or not. By seeing the variables, we will divide whether it is a long run or short run. To make you understand, if it is a commodity, so we can make it as a 1 year for the short run, like not exactly 1 year, within 1 year we can make it as a short run. After that what happens, automatically it is going to be long run. When it comes agriculture crops, the short run will be less than 6 months we can say, but long run will come after 6 months. So here I am dividing on the basis of month. So it is, I am seeing the crops, I am seeing the inputs, and I am seeing the variables, and I am dividing. So this is the method. So I hope you understood. So if you are having any doubt, you can clarify with me. So no need of writing notes for this concept. I will send you the question answer. So thank you, students.